Hey guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. I'm Chef John. Here on the Chef's Backyard, I share quick, easy recipes. I want to help you cook more. I want to help you cook better. All right guys, so here we go. We're going to make our beans. We've got the pressure cooker set to saute. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, now we're going to add our bacon. It's already been diced. Okay guys, it's really important that you let that bacon brown. You want it to get to the golden brown stage. You want it to start looking like this, okay? And the reason is you're building flavor. You're rendering out the fat. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the onions. These are diced onions. And we're gonna add them in to that bacon fat. Now this is a good point to start seasoning. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt, and we've got half a teaspoon of black pepper and 4 cloves of garlic. You're creating the base for your beans right here. Very important step. Now I'm going to begin deglazing the bottom of the pan. We've got our dark beer here. This is Shiner Bock beer. I've got 2 cups, but I'm going to add maybe a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to use that moisture to help deglaze the bottom of the pan. I'm scraping up all of the bits that were cooked on there by the bacon, and now we'll add the rest of this. I'll bring that to a boil and let it cook for a few minutes. All right guys, so we've let that reduce for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in my tomatoes with green chilies, and then we're gonna add in 6 cups of broth. Okay, and we're adding this in at this stage to lower the temperature in the Instant Pot. We're adding the broth and the tomatoes together to lower the temperature in the Instant Pot. We're gonna add our beans. We'll put the lid on, make sure it's set to sealing. All right guys, so something else I made tonight is some cornbread. We did a super easy version. We just did a little packet mix. So let's see, put some of that down here as a base. We'll get some of these borracho beans. Oh man, they look fantastic. Put some of those beans on there. Make sure you get some of that juice. You worked hard for that juice. Now we'll dress it up with some of these jalapenos, some cheese. All right, let's try the beans. Man, the flavor on them is really, really good. If your beans do come out a little bit tough, you can always cook them a little bit more. Man, the sauce that those beans are cooked in is phenomenal. Delicious, guys. I hope you take the time to cook this recipe. Feed it to your family, your friends, your loved ones. It is fantastic. Thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. I'm Chef John. Here on the Chef's Backyard, I share quick, easy recipes. I want to help you cook more. I want to help you cook better. Tonight, I'm going to do a super simple cornbread. We're going to use a package mix. It'll be easy, it'll be fun, and we'll show you how to do it. All right guys, so we're going to use a package of cornbread mix. First step we're going to do is add this into our bowl, our mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 egg. I've got a whisk here. I like to kind of whisk that up a little bit first, and then we'll add in the milk. You just want to mix it until there's no more lumps. All right, that looks pretty smooth. We'll set it to the side. And now you want to grease your baking dish. Just run some butter on there. This will help to keep the cornbread from sticking too bad to the side. It'll also add some flavor. All right. And then we're gonna pour our cornbread mix into the dish. Now we've got our oven set to 425, and we're gonna bake that for 15 to 20 minutes or until it gets golden brown. All right guys, so we've just pulled the cornbread out of the oven, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna check to see if it's done. An easy way to do that is to take a toothpick right in the middle, and if it comes out clean, your cornbread is ready.